Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Bohemian knotless braids, also known as boho braids, and we're going to be using these 3 body wave bundles. First row is complete and I added 1 piece of curly hair to each braid. So this is the human hair, 1 piece on each braid on the first row. And I also switched my braiding gel from Bellatique, I think that's how it's pronounced, to Pure. So the Bellatique leaves a residue, a white residue, so hopefully the Pure is better and it does a better job. The braiding jam or braiding gel to part and section the hair off that I'm about to braid next. On my second and third row, I added 2 pieces of curly hair to each braid. If you're not sure how to add the curly pieces, I have a full tutorial step by step on my channel, so check that out. Just a quick progress check, and sometimes I pre-part the entire head before braiding, but today I did not. I just parted as I went along, but whatever is easier for you, then you do that. Just a quick backstory. My client got this style the last time she got her hair braided, but we used Cleopatra's human hair in the packet and she said it tangled so badly. So this time she brought her bundles, she cut them off the weft and this is what we'll be using for these boho knotless braids. So as I progressed upwards, I started adding my curly pieces sooner, and I started adding more curly pieces into each braid also. So at my 5th or 6th row, I started adding 4 to 5 pieces of curly hair, and my final 2 or 3 rows, I added 6 to 7 pieces of curly hair. You'll also see me adding pieces of braiding hair as I go along, and my client is getting butt length braids, so I'll be extending her braids as I go. So before ending my braids, I always do a little check to make sure that they're the same length. So that's what you see me doing here. And like I said before, when I got to the top, I added more hair, and this is just me showing you guys how many pieces I added.
What's wrong? Can't you talk?
This was my last and final braid, and now I'm just showing you guys the parts. And now I'm just trimming the little ends, the little wild hair sticking out of the braids. That's not my client's hair. It's from the braids, the actual braiding hair. This was actually the first time I used curling rods to curl the ends of braids, and I thought it came out so pretty. And we're all done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. and have a great day. Bye.